Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and find the version. And right here we've got the build number. We have to activate the developer options using the build number. So all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And now we are in the developer mode. So now let's go back to the general settings. And here we have to enter additional settings. They should be right above the About Device. So let's tap. Now let's scroll down and enter developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. So simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to actually download the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again, and to turn off the developer options, just tap on the switcher at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.